today's episode of Restoration Home, we take this old abandoned pool house and we transform it into something magical. This is listed as a grade 2 facility. That means each ant has to be individually taken, catalogued, preserved, given food and water until it can be restored exactly in the same location. We have recruited Adrian Burton. Adrian is experienced in the sprayer and has done this sort of thing before. I mean, you scrape a little, then you take a rest. The main problem is just to keep from being bored to death. I mean, I've never worked this hard in my life before. Budget is free, and we're already over budget. Look at these towers, these cows cost money. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? It is making us use an outhouse like they did in 1574. I mean, we don't even have a place to go to the water closet. Look, it says do not use. Where are we gonna go to the water closet? Way over budget. We're planning on putting a shower there, the sink here, of course the water closet, a bedroom, a kitchen, and a master bath right about here, all in just about a 10 by 10 square foot space. But when you're working with a budget of about 3, that's what you got to do. See? Oh wow. So this is the old pump house and we plan on renovating it into a multi-million-dollar master suite. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done yet, but we're up to the task. Now you can see our lovely swamp or pool, I can't tell which it is. Got a work cut out for us in here. Americans have a strong sense of style. That chip right there, he's easy. Like I said about the Americans and the style, can't figure it out. Clean windows. We walk around here and you notice that the ants have been carefully placed back exactly the way we found them. Yeah. 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 Yeah.